Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making Frosted Gingerbread Banana Bread. This cozy banana bread uses warm spices like cinnamon, ginger, and cloves, and it'll taste just like your favorite gingerbread cookie, but in banana bread form. Let me show you guys how to make it. So I'm going to use my stand mixer today, but if you guys want to use a hand mixer, you can totally do that as well. So first we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Next I have 113 grams of salted butter, and I'm going to add this to our stand mixer. Next we're adding 170 grams of cane sugar. Next we're going to add in 85 grams of black strap molasses, and I like to do this right into the mixing bowl on the scale. This is going to be the easiest and it's going to give you the most accurate measurement. Now we're going to mix this on low until combined and there's no butter chunks. Now we're going to add in 2 very ripe bananas, and we want them to be black and overly ripe whenever making banana bread. This is going to ensure that the starches have had time to turn into sugars. This is what's going to give you that sweet banana flavor that you love instead of that starchy flavor that you would get with an unripe banana. And the mushier banana is also going to easily mix into our batter. Next, we're going to add in 2 large eggs. Then we're going to add in half a cup of milk. Next, I'm going to add in my flour, baking powder, and salt. And then last, we're adding in my holy trio of gingerbread spices, which is cinnamon, ginger, and cloves. And we're going to do 1 teaspoon of each. Now we're going to mix on low until combined into a smooth batter. Now you want to make sure that you scrape down the sides of the bowl because you could have molasses that's stuck on the sides, and we want to make sure that everything is combined completely. Next, I'm going to grab a 1-pound loaf pan. Now I'm using my Caraway loaf pan today, which is non-stick ceramic. If you guys are using another kind of loaf pan like aluminum, I might recommend using parchment paper that will help with easier removal, but this one releases so well that you don't even need it. And now for that perfect banana bread split down the middle, we're just going to take a butter knife and go right across the loaf. Now we're going to bake this at 350 degrees for about 1 hour and 15 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. If you don't have a toothpick, use a butter knife, use a chopstick. Just make sure that the middle is done. So while our gingerbread loaf is cooling, it's time to mix with the glaze. So we're going to sift 142 grams of powdered sugar into a large mixing bowl. Next, we're just going to add in 2 tablespoons of water. And then we're going to whisk this together. And now I like a pretty thick glaze on top of this banana bread because I feel like it's most similar to like a gingerbread cookie. But if you guys want a thinner glaze or like a more like donut-like glaze, then you're just going to want to add a little bit more water to make the glaze more runny. So the glaze might seem really thick, but if you want it to not drip off the cake completely, then you want to keep it pretty thick, just like this. So once the banana bread has cooled completely, we're going to remove it from the pan and add on the icing. And now I'm just using a butter knife to spread the glaze on top of the banana bread. And if you decided to make a runnier glaze, you can just pour it over the banana bread. And now we have the most delicious frosted gingerbread banana bread ever. You guys are going to love this. I like to cut this into 8 slices. Make sure to throw this banana bread in an airtight container or under a cake dome. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more fun holiday recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.